Today we're gonna cook pakbet. Pakbet.
Pinakbet.
Sige,
So,
sige.
pinakbet is a Filipino dish which contains vegetables like,
These.
what are these? What's the ingredients?
Papaya,
Squash,
squash, cucumber, eggplant, tomato, and green beans.
green beans, and we have also pork,
We even have more pork.
sibuyas, and garlic.
Thanks for commenting. I wish you had a great day.
Nagtataka ba kayo ba't ito lang ang gulay ko? Kasi nag-start na yung quarantine natin, so limited na rin yung supply ng mga vegetables sa market. So, ito lang ang ating pangpakbet. Let's start to saute the garlic. Next will be the onion. You can now put the tomatoes. And after some time, you can now put the pork para matodo yung gisa niya. Now, gagamit na tayo ng shrimp paste. Unlike dun sa common pinakbet ng Ilocano na bagoong isda ang ginagamit, ang gagamitin natin ngayon ay shrimp paste. Tapos, lagay na rin natin ng squash. Igigisa natin maigi. Then, after that one, we're gonna put water na. See you later! Pwede na nating ilagay yung mga talong. Tapos, pag konti na rin sa baw, syempre, dagdagan natin ng tubig. Kasi may mga iba pa tayong gulay na ilalagay later. Now, pwede na natin siyang i-season ng pork cubes, salt, and pepper. Then, let's just wait until the talong will be cooked. Tapos, let's put the other ingredients.